This is one of my all-time favorite stitches, and it looks a little different if you're working it in the round versus straight. It's a very pretty stitch and very easy to do. Today I'd like to talk about the Suzette Stitch. This is one of my all-time favorite stitches, and it looks a little different if you're working it in the round versus straight. So this is a piece that I've been working in the round, and you can see how there's a bit of a diagonal look to it as you go on row by row. And then if we take a look at some straight rows of Suzette, it takes on a little bit different texture. It's a very pretty stitch and very easy to do. Let me show you. I've got one more example. This is a yarn weight 3, a light DK. This is a little bit heavier yarn done in the round. And here's what it looks like when it's done in rows in a little bit thicker yarn. I've already started with a chain foundation and then a base row to get us started for this tutorial. All you need are an odd number of stitches to get started, and you'll chain 1 and turn to start your first row of Suzette. In this very first stitch, we're going to do a single crochet and then a double crochet in the same stitch. So here's my single and here's my double. And then I'm going to skip 1 stitch and do the same thing in the next. So I've got 1 single and 1 double in the same stitch. Skip 1, single and double in the next stitch, all the way across, and it's that easy. And when you get to the end, I'll show you how to turn and make the subsequent rows. So now I'm down to the last 2 stitches. I'm going to skip 1 and I'm going to single and double in the very last stitch. Then I'm going to chain 1 and turn. Now from here on out, we'll do every row the very same way. You're going to skip that very first stitch and you're going to start in the second stitch. The second stitch is actually the single crochet from the Suzette on the row before. So in that first single crochet, you will make another Suzette. Single and double. Then you're going to skip a stitch and go into the next single crochet with a single and a double, and you're going to do that all the way across, skipping a stitch and then doing a single and a double in the next stitch till you get to the very end. Single, double, skip 1, single, double, skip 1, single, double, skip 1, and in the very last stitch, single and double, chain 1, turn, and start again in the first single crochet. And there it is, the Suzette stitch. I hope you like it. Again, it has some really pretty properties to it, depending on whether you're doing it in the round, like this, or in rows, like this. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye for now.
Hi, it's Rebecca. Thank you so much for watching. I'm uploading a new video at least once a week, so I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.